Dr. Bilski, I like drinking coffee, and every once in a while I use the old coffee pod, get my one cup, get my fix.
Yeah.
I know they can stain teeth. But I hear you have something called cleaning pods. Can that help with my coffee teeth, or has that got nothing to do with it?
It has nothing to do with it.
Okay, well, let's so forget all about that. Let's talk about cleaning pods.
At least he asked a great question. All right, so if you are an Invisalign patient, clear aligners, we're trying to straighten your teeth with invisible braces, or you wear a removable partial bridge, or you wear a denture. What else is there out there? Orthodontic appliances for sure. Retainers are another thing that get nasty. So there was a study, brand new, clean as it comes, we'll call it mouth appliance.
Right.
Retainer, Invisalign, dentures. One day, they looked at the bacterial count. You would throw up if you saw what was on
Really?
there.
Is that right?
And not even that, even your toothbrush, okay? So a company that's on the internet, Zima, I think it's Z-I-M-A, has what's called an ultrasonic cleaning pod. And they have special tablets. And anybody that's worn a partial or Invisalign tray, then they go into the Invisalign retainer. It starts off crystal clear, and then it looks like when the milk is emptied out of the milk jug, that's the color of the plastic. That's bacteria.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And there is a specific odor to it. It doesn't smell bad, but it's like,
Good thing we don't have smell-o-vision videos right now.
So the good news is when somebody comes in like with that type of, let's just stay on Invisalign, and it's that color, I know they're wearing it. If they bring it back, it's crystal clear, I know they're not wearing it. Doesn't mean it's not clean or dirty or clean, but it's, so anyway, back to the pod. It's a tablet, and it's an ultrasonic. You plug it in, and it vibrates, and the action of the vibration
Along with a cleaning
tablet eliminates that stain or the bacteria. So,
and you do that every night or once a week?
It just depends usually on how you are. So the tablets come in a packet. They have 30. So if you used one a day, you'd have one packet. The actual appliance itself, I think, is $69, the actual pod. And I want to say that the tablets are, I think it's $1 a piece, probably $30. So your initial investment's $100. Not through us, just go online and get it. And then depending on how your mouth is and how well you clean it, maybe it's every day because you have the bacteria in your mouth and the dry mouth, which kind of creates a nice environment for bacteria. Or you don't, you're maybe a little bit younger and it stays cleaner longer, so maybe it's twice a week, maybe it's once a week. And everybody that's out there, you do it on your own choice, but we hope that you would do that before you come in to see me, so we can see a nice clean appliance. And then the other thing too is that if it is stained, because you're not supposed to drink with these appliances in your mouth, meaning the Invisalign, and you are coffee or tea drink or even iced tea, and they get stained, it might take 2 or 3 days of actually cleaning it, not continuously, but you put it in there, and then it comes clean.
Okay, so that's pretty neat, cleaning pods.
My 2 sons have that, so it's fabulous.
Fantastic. Well, it's been tried. It's true.
Yeah.
Cleaning pods.
Yes, sir.